Hello and welcome back to the channel at Languedoc Property Finders. Today we are in the really pretty village of Margon. Margon is known for its gorgeous 13th century château. It is one of the chateaux in the area that has been lovingly restored by its owner, the Count of Margon. And the house that we're going to see is a one-bedroom house with a garage right in the centre of Margon. What I'm doing now is I'm just walking past the house in order to show you the view of the chateau. It's absolutely stunning. It's a bit like a fairy tale chateau. Lovely. And that's what you have on your doorstep. So, let me show you the house. So just here on the right is the garage to the house. So it is an electric up and over garage door, so that's very handy. And I can guarantee you that as long as you don't have too large a car, you can actually drive up to the garage in order to park the car. You might have to do a couple of maneuvers here, but it is definitely doable because the owner's car is in the garage. So let's go into the house now. It's a very traditional village house. So downstairs you've got the garage. As I said, the owner's car is currently in the garage. And just beyond the garage you've got some storage space as well. So it's quite handy to have this in any village, to be honest with you. It's a real bonus to have a garage. You've got the electrics down here and the water heater. So let's go upstairs. These are very wide stairs actually. The staircase is perfect for moving furniture in and out, so you won't have a problem scuffing the walls when you move in. Then immediately to your right is the living room and kitchen area. So you've got large double doors there, overlooking the little street where we just walked in from. If I just walk over this side of the room, you can see that the ceiling slopes down towards my end, so it's actually quite high by the dining area, kitchen area. I'll just take you over to where the kitchen area is. It's sort of an L-shaped room. The shutters on that window do open, it's just that they are bolted for security at the moment, but you can open them. So that's the kitchen. It's a small compact kitchen, but it's got everything that you could possibly need. It's got a sink and a little refrigerator there. And as we walk through the rest of the house, you've got a bedroom on the left-hand side. So this is a double aspect bedroom. You've got a window over here on the left that overlooks the street that I came in by. And another window here as well. So lots of light. There's a ceiling fan to help cool down the ceiling. And I think this bed is at least a double bed, and I think you could probably get a larger bed in here if you really wanted to. Got a large cupboard. So that should give you an idea of the dimensions of the room. All the room dimensions are on our website, so you can double check to make sure that the room is big enough for you. And then as we come back into the corridor, we have the bathroom. And this is nice and bright, nice and clean. You've got a wash basin, a WC, and a bath with a shower. And there you have it. A 1-bedroom house, village house, with a garage in the very pretty little area of Margon. Margon is renowned, as I said earlier, for the château, but it's also got a really nice restaurant, the Petit Margonnaise. That's a lovely restaurant. And a lovely living area. Very nice indeed. If you are interested for a viewing, please do contact me. The details are at the bottom left of the screen. I'd be happy to show you the house or certainly send you details of the house. Thank you so very much for watching.